Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how to change long press duration on your iPhone. So for example, if I want to delete YouTube from my phone, I need to hold here for a couple of seconds and then this menu pops up. So I want this menu to be faster. How can I do it? So for that you need to go to your settings, and from here you need to go scroll down and find this option called accessibilities. Now from here tap on touch and then haptic touch. Now as you can see, right now my touch is on default, and here we can test our present speed. So if I hold here, and this is the present speed of my touch, so I want it to be faster. So what I do, just tap here once and then again let's test. So yeah, as you can see, it's much faster now. So if I tap slow, so as you can see, it's much slower now. So if you want it fast, you can do it, or if you want to slow, you can do it as well. So I'm keeping it default, and yeah, that's how you can change your long press duration on your iPhone.